Alright you guys, welcome back to the vlog. It is a new day. I am going to be installing a radio on the Integra. You guys can't see, it's so dark back there. But since it's not enough light and I need to install the speaker on that door, so Jeff is about to come down, move the Forester. We're going to swap positions so I can have more light and I can get started with this video. There's the Jeeps. Alright, this is way better. It got so much more light. I already took out some of the bolts and deconstructed it a little bit, but I don't want to take it off this because I don't want this to crack. So I'm just gonna go under and like work underneath right there. But this is what we're installing: some Kenwoods, and this is the Bluetooth. Oh, come on, focus. This is the Bluetooth touchscreen. I think some people call this a double din. I don't really care for the term, but this is what I will be installing. As far as these Kenwoods, so I already installed the Kenwoods in here and in the other one, so I just haven't done the fronts. So let's get to it. And then after that, I will be installing the radio, and I'll talk more about that in a bit. This is really gross. It's even, you guys hear that? Yeah, that's bad. I haven't even heard the speakers of these cars, but of this car, that's horrible. It's gonna crack like any second, and Corona, no! Ooh. Oh yeah. Well, I'm not gonna use this because it already has its own. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Oh my god. And listen to this. Doesn't make that noise at all. Sexy. Going from that old and busted to that new stuff. Dang, look at the comparison. This design is dope, guys. Alright, so let's install this. Alright you guys, I got all the speakers installed. Now it's time to do the radio, but it is, as you can tell, it's getting pretty dark. Imagine filming a dope ass car video on the sky like that. It's fucking dope. But filming what's next should not be hard at all. Well, that light doesn't work. I want to show you guys real quick. Can y'all even, you know what? Since it's dark, too dark, even for my phone light and everything, I'm gonna continue this tomorrow in the morning where there's way more sunlight, and we'll go from there. See you guys tomorrow. Alright you guys, this is the next day. We are back inside, and all we have to do is just install the radio. Here, this is what I got. So we got some brackets, the radio, and some things for the wires, right? So I'm gonna start with this first. What this is the little brackets that would fit in here if I need any, because as you can see, there is like legit nothing in there that'll probably hold the radio in place. So I'm gonna crack this open and see what I got. The radio should be fairly easy because I got this. What this is, you connect to the original OEM harness, this thing right here. Connect to that. As you can see, the wires are pre-cut, which makes life a lot easier. And what I can do is connect all those same wires to the back piece of that, and then I'm done. So shout out to Darren for hooking me up with this adapter piece, and then I probably use these to connect those wires. So, and I gotta do this fairly quick because I have to go to work in like 2 hours. So let's get this shit going. Oh dope, it comes with some actual instructions on how to set this up. But it even gives you like the actual, that's dope. So we are at Acura Integra 92, and it tells you, and it has a diagram of what will work for your car. And then it goes to Acura TL, Acura, oh that's dope. So I have all the instructions for, oh look, Honda Accords. Oh, this is nice. I did not know this, but I don't need to explore more. I just need to use this. Let's crack this thing open, boy. These are not scissors. Comes with the controller, some extra wires and brackets, of course. And I do. Ooh. Man, this is like a miniature TV back here. You see that? Damn. This one's a little different from Panda, but not hard. As you can see, fix that. It has all these little tabs, and then this one has 4. The 4, you can see inside here, it only has 4 for 4 wires. And this one has the black for ground. I believe this one is the, I want to say power because that's the second notch on there, and then the antenna and all the other stuff. And then for the other like one, this the first one is all of these. So I have to connect each color to the color code on this one, and then plug this into the one in there, and then the radio should work just fine. Good thing about connecting these is that on the wires, oh wow, you guys can't see it, but it does say ground. So each one of these wires are labeled, and so are these. So it's pretty easy to connect a radio when you have all the right stuff. Another thing I found out that these wires connect to is like if I had a reverse camera, because it says here, it says brake, reverse. So if I had like a reverse camera, that's what this plugs into, but I am not going to connect this. So I'm just going to probably like zip tie it somewhere. Okay, you guys, the radio is in, and I'm about to do a moment of truth. See what it turns on. Oh, it made my antenna work. Dope. How do we do? Oh, that's clean.
Backers, they're gonna go with Jared Stidham. They would have won more.
How about Bluetooth? Pair device. Dude, playing straight off the phone. speakers work. Guys, what else is dope? That it came with a stylus. Let's try this. Let's try this out. Or I probably don't need to do that. Oh, dope! Dope! I don't know where to put this. I'm just gonna put it next to the remote. That's dope. Really excited about that. And it fits so flush and like perfect. Like in there like swimwear boo boo. All the speakers work, radio works, everything works. I am hella excited. So I'm just glad I got something done on the Integra. There's actually some wiring stuff I need to do to Panda for his vibe lights. So we're gonna hop to that, and might as well just jump to work because I have to go to work. But we'll hop to that and see what happens next. Woo! Panda wanted to bring you guys back. Alright. Anyways, I made it to work. And what I'm going to do right now is that I am going to fix all of the vibe lights. So like all the glow gauges are not working. Underglow is not working either. That's because I got cut off by, guess what, a Prius, and fucked up. I don't know why it cut me off, and then when it cut me off, it started driving slow. So I had to brake extremely hard. Whoa, give me a second. So I had to brake extremely hard, and it moved the battery. Because as you guys can see, I don't have a little battery thing, like a lock. And it ripped the wires, and the wires are already short as is on this end. So I'm just gonna redo all of it. Like this is horrible. This one goes on a negative. The positive one ripped out. So and it's all like just a tacky wire. So I'm gonna take that out right now. So what I'm gonna do is start it from here. Cut this off. And then just redo all that, probably with some zip ties or something, because they're just like legit. Look, they're just like floating there, and it doesn't look good. The color white, it just doesn't look good in the engine bay. Yeah, hopefully I could tuck it somewhere else to where it reaches this end a lot better, because that's booty cheeks right there. Yeah, if I do a car show, I don't want these wires out like this. Alright guys, it is after work, and I did tack up that wire pretty good. Like, barely tell that anything is there. Well, you can see it, but I found a smarter way to connect it so that way it never disconnect. But this wire is not working as well as I want it to, so I'm gonna get something a little bit thicker, because this wire is like hella thin. So I'm gonna close this up. Some of you are probably wondering, how's Ariel? I'm off work, but she's still working, and our boss is kind of being a little mean to us, but I'm gonna sneak in and have her say hello. Ariel.
Hey, you're still here.
Alright, so Ariel's car looks pretty good, pretty nice. I'm actually pretty happy that Ariel's in a better spirit, because she did get hit, and this is not an April Fool's joke. Look. Yeah, she got hit. Some lady riding a light slid right into her in the rain and cracked Ariel. And right here, it makes the most horrific noise when she opens her door. So that sucks. So if you guys feel her pain, please go on her Instagram, show her some love, show her some support, that she will bounce back. I will help her bounce back, because that sucks. You know, we're trying to build the car and it gets cracked. So but it is life. It's not much we can do about that. I'm gonna call it quits for today's video. I know I didn't do much, but the radio and the Integra came out dope AF. I really like it. Probably for the next video, I'll tell you guys the actual plan that I have for the Integra, but until then, I still got some stuff for this car that's coming up real soon. That's it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, support your boy. If you guys want to slow down the coronavirus, please subscribe to my stunt channel or put some like on some of my videos or whatever. Enjoy them, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Panda, you alive, buddy?